Freedom for me is doing what I want from wherever I want with the people I want. As soon as I entered the 12th standard of my school, society ने मेरे ऊपर एक path impose करना शुरू कर दिया था. That बेटा get great marks in 12th boards, then get a great college, do a job for 2 years to get experience, do an MBA for enhancing your biodata, then get yourself into a better quality corporate prison, get married, have kids and die. And this scared my soul to death. I didn't recognize this pattern until 3rd year of my college, but जब मैंने ये pattern recognize करा, इस pattern को तोड़ना ही मेरा लाइफ गोल बन गया. I was ready to do anything and everything that is required to break this pattern. But the problem was I had no idea what should be my next step. It was scary, uncertain, full of criticism and pain. But fast forward 3 years, sitting here today, I can tell you that it was absolutely worth it. What I'm about to tell you today is not available on the internet because it took me 3 years of failures to be able to create this video. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the modern freedom framework. I truly believe that you just need 8 pieces to complete the puzzle of freedom, and it starts with self-improvement. Self-improvement वो है कि जो तुम इंटरनेट पे हर दिन सुबह शाम ढूंढते हो. Chances are that you already know कि तुम्हें अपनी ड्रीम्स को अचीव करने के लिए क्या चीजें करनी है और क्या चीजें नहीं करनी है. बट दिक्कत ये है कि तुम एक जगह बैठ के बिना डिस्ट्रैक्शन के काम नहीं कर सकते. दिक्कत ये है कि तुम रील स्क्रॉल करना बंद नहीं कर सकते. दिक्कत ये है कि तुम मैकडॉनल्ड्स खाना नहीं छोड़ सकते because you have already surrendered to your impulses. Your biggest war is your internal war. So you need to win against yourself one step at a time every day. This is where your journey of freedom begins. Second piece of the puzzle, ladies and gentlemen, is unlearning. As soon as you are born, society start imposing things on you, and they keep imposing things on you throughout your life. Things like you need to do a job to get experience, you need to have a degree from a great college to have a good career, you should not invest money, you should save money, or making money is hard. Now you need to break out of this. You need to unlearn things, and you need to learn things from new perspectives, new state of mind, and fresh worldviews. Now the way you do it is by reading books, by reading the minds of some of the greatest leaders, some of the greatest entrepreneurs of our times. You take advice from people who have already achieved their dreams, who are already standing at a place where you want to go. You do not take advice from people who didn't even had the courage of giving their dreams a good shot. Unlearning will give you a clean state of mind and will allow you to imagine your future with your own thoughts. Moving on to the next piece, it is chasing clarity. तुम अपने बेड से हर दिन सुबह एक्साइटमेंट के साथ बिना अलार्म को स्नूज करे इसलिए नहीं उठ पाते बिकॉज तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है तुम्हें उठ के करना क्या है. यू हैव नॉट येट डिसाइडेड योर क्वेस्ट, सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड योर क्वेस्ट. यू नीड टू सिट डाउन विथ योरसेल्फ एंड यू नीड टू राइट डाउन व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू आर गुड एट, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू आर बैड एट, व्हाट आर योर गुड हैबिट्स, व्हाट आर योर बैड हैबिट्स, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू वांट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू डू नॉट वांट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, एंड व्हाट आर योर गोल्स फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 months. When you don't know where you want to go, you go where people convince you to go, which is a completely different place where you never wanted to go at the first place. This is exactly why तुम्हें एक दिन YouTube वीडियोस क्रिएट करने की इच्छा होती है, दूसरे दिन Instagram रील्स बनाने की इच्छा होती है और तीसरे दिन अपनी मार्केटिंग एजेंसी शुरू करने का मन करता है because you lack clarity. So you need to chase clarity to accelerate your journey of freedom. Fourth piece of the puzzle is skill stacking. You are underconfident because you do not have relevant skills that will allow you to reach your true potential. Imagine करो कि जब भी तुम बैठ के कोई नई स्किल सीख रहे हो तो तुम खुद की करेंसी प्रिंट कर रहे हो. In order to win the game of life, तुम्हें 2 तरीके की स्किल सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. पहले तरीके की स्किल्स होती हैं हार्ड स्किल्स, जिसको मैं बोलता हूँ प्रिंटिंग योर ओन करेंसी. स्किल्स लाइक वीडियो एडिटिंग, कॉपी राइटिंग, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग और राइटिंग. ये स्किल्स लर्न करके तुम खुद को वैल्यूएबल बनाते हो, तुम खुद की करेंसी अपने पास सेव करते हो जिसको तुम फ्यूचर में मार्केट में ट्रेड करके वो करेंसी ले सकते हो जिसपे दुनिया काम करती है, which is डॉलर्स और INR depending upon where you live. Second type of skills that you need to learn are marketing and sales. These skills allow you to create a portal to trade your hard skills in the real world. Now the people who learn just the first type of skills are great employees, but the ones who learn both are great entrepreneurs. Fifth piece of the puzzle is implementation. Your knowledge, the goals you have set for yourself, and the public announcements you have made about the things that you are about to do or you are going to be doing in the future are just all momentary dopamine hits if you do not sit down undistracted and really work towards your goals. Implementation के थ्रू तुम अपनी ड्रीम्स को रियलिटी बनाते हो. एक बार तुमने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि तुम्हें कहाँ पे जाना है और तुम्हें वहां कैसे जाना है, then you need to stop overthinking. You need to leave everything behind and You just need to sit down and work. You need to execute relentlessly with obsession. You need to get yourself into the flow state. Now, this is not easy. This is an infinite process of learning, executing, and failing. So if you're not ready to go through this, leave it and get a job. But that's even worse. So pick your battle. Sixth piece of the puzzle is building distribution. ये बात तुमने सुनी होगी और नहीं सुनी है तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए रिपीट कर देता हूँ. That money flows where attention goes. As you are growing in your journey, as you are growing as a creator, entrepreneur, or as a business person, you need to build distribution. You need to share your stories. You need to share your insights and the things that you're learning in your quest with the people around you on the internet. And in simple words, you do it by sharing your stories and your journey in text or video format on social media. Do cool shit in real life and share your experiences on the internet. Building a community will give you a greater sense of why. You will build a community of savages like yourself around you who will support you in everything that you do beyond that point. Seventh piece of the puzzle is optimization. I personally like to go all in on the things that are working for me, but at the same time, running new experiments, coming up with new iterations and new thought processes and mental models that might work and give me those extraordinary results that I'm always looking for. So week after week, you need to sit down with yourself and you need to reflect upon what are the things that are working for you, what are the things that are not working for you and you need to improve upon, what are the things that you did wrong in the last week and what are the things that you need to do this week. Always try to spot things that you can iterate upon, because iteration is greater than consistency. This is very important because even if you fail, you need to fail fast. Worst case scenario, you save some time. Last but probably the most important piece of the puzzle, that you need to trade your money for time. You and I, we all have 24 hours every day. Money is in abundance. It can come and it can go. So when you first start making money, you need to use that money to free up your time and then use it everything else. अगर तुम अपने पैसे को बस स्टेटस खरीदने के लिए यूज कर रहे हो in different forms, then you are not achieving freedom. तुम खुद को सोसाइटी के प्रिजन से निकाल के पैसे की जेल में बंद कर रहे हो, and that is exactly what this video is not about. That's all for this video, folks. Good days are coming. Just keep playing your game. अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आया, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are watching me for the first time. I will see you guys in the next video.